Okay, guys, so today's the big day. Tesla reported Q1 2020 earnings, and there was a huge surprise, guys. So the stock has been way up in after hours trading. So it's currently at around $878 as of recording this video. So basically, let's just get right into it. So I'll give you guys a quick recap. So basically, CNBC reported Tesla rises as company ekes out a Q1 profit. So guys, some of the highlights reported first quarter results, including a $6 million profit, and the complete earnings was per share was $1.24 per share, with revenue just under 6 billion. So once again, Wall Street completely off base when it came to Tesla, thinking that they would lose money when they've had their third straight profitable quarter in a row, guys. So if actually Tesla can somehow manage, it's going to be very tough in Q2, but if they can somehow manage a profitable quarter, they will be eligible for S&P 500, and that should take us to $1,000 and beyond, because being in the S&P 500 is a big stamp of approval. So it says Tesla walked back previous guidance Wednesday's investor update, saying that it has capacity installed to hit 500,000 vehicle deliveries in 2020. So that's basically the goal we're looking for right now. We want Tesla to hit that half of a $1 million mark, and obviously in 2021 continue to basically progress and continue to hit those numbers. So guys, let's actually head into the actual update. So you can find this information. You just simply go to ir.tesla.com. You can just go to Google and type in Tesla IR. So let's just quickly go through some of the numbers in depth. So one of the nice things about Tesla is that they are very cash solvent. They have $8.1 billion in cash. So the company has taken a aggressive strategy of stacking up cash. Profitable, as I said, net income, and a Model Y gross margin positive was good as well. And they also began deliveries of the Model Y. And another interesting thing, they reached production of 100,000 solar roofs in a single week. So once again, everyone's talking about how Tesla is just a car company. Well, it's not, and they are quietly installing more roofs on people's houses and generating a lot of kind of side revenue that I think is a huge industry. I think a lot of people are going to enjoy solar panels and solar roofs in the roofs in the future, because it really lowers your energy bills. So it says Q1 2020 was the first time in our history that we achieved a positive GAAP net income in a seasonally weak first quarter. Despite global operational challenges, we were able to achieve our best first quarter for both production and deliveries. So another thing that's really interesting about this report, as you can see here, I mentioned that they've had 3 straight positive earnings quarters in a row. So as you can see here, over the last 3 quarters, they've turned a profit, which is awesome news for investors, and they're stacking cash as well. They actually took out a $2 billion stock offering to kind of shore up that cash position. So another nice thing about Tesla, they've got some solid automotive gross margins and some solid GAAP gross margins as well, around 20%. So that's what we like to see, guys. So, amidst all the things happening in the coronavirus thing and basically having a lot of the factories shut down for a part of Q1, Tesla would have had even better numbers. So it's just really exciting to see this company grow before our eyes. They're starting to figure it out, and they're really starting to progress forward in terms of their long-term goals. So as we can see here, production was up way over year. So production was up 33%, which is awesome. Just nice to see those numbers continually grow. And here's another thing that's really very interesting to me. Supercharger stations almost at 2,000. So these are basically stations, gas. They're basically like electric charging stations, like a gas station, and every quarter they're adding more and more of these supercharger networks. As you can see, our fast charging supercharger network is currently approaching 2,000 stations. A lot of interesting stuff in this report, guys. You should really check it out. Here's some more updates of basically their factors and things like that. I won't get too much into this. Like I said, you guys, this is a really interesting presentation and read. You can check this out. Also, another thing I thought that was very interesting, I want to talk back to the solar roofs. It says in Q1, the Gigafactory in New York reached a significant milestone in a single week. Solar roof production exceeded 4 megawatts. enough for 1,000 homes. We continue to onboard new installers in order to synchronize our ability to produce and install solar roofs. Feedback from solar roof owners has been very positive. So as you can see here, here's a normal house before, and then when they put the solar roof on and to generate solar energy. So guys, yeah, awesome quarter and things like that. Here's some more pictures. So let's go back to the stock. So before we wrap things up, so guys, I mentioned in my previous daily Tesla videos how I think a lot of people were hoping that the stock would come back to around 700, and I said that's a big risk because I expected Tesla to have an awesome quarter. This company has really turned a corner, guys. Tesla has been around for a while now. They've been around for they've been publicly traded for a while now, so they're really starting to get into it. And as I mentioned, 2020, I think, is the year for these type of companies. This whole Corona thing is an inflection point in history. We're moving towards clean energy even faster, and Tesla is one of the companies that's going to benefit from it. So what's going to happen with Tesla stock now? Well, I would assume that since it gapped up so much and after hours trading, it will continue to rise in Thursday session as well and could push that previous resistance. So basically, since the stock broke through that resistance at around, there was resistance here at around like $780, that will now become support. And now we're probably going to test that resistance of 950 or so. So what I would think would happen with Tesla stock, I don't see any reason why it wouldn't hit 900 by the end of the week and then possibly even break through, because even though Q2 will be bad, people kind of understand now how much this company has changed. It's profitable over the last 3 quarters. That is huge. And like I said, they keep surprising Wall Street. So Wall Street keeps underestimating the power of Tesla. So that's it, guys, for me. I'm glad I held on to my Tesla shares. I'm just going to continue to hold them right now. I'm looking forward to Q2 and potentially selling and stuff like that. But for you guys that bought in, I read some of your comments, you guys bought in around $200, $250. Congratulations. What I would say for you is it depends what you want to do. So if you want to continue to hold your shares, that's a great strategy. But for some of you, maybe you think the price is running up too much. A good strategy that works really well is okay, guys. So for you guys that are up big, it's perfectly normal if you want to take a little bit off of the table and possibly hold that cash. But right now, I think Tesla is going to hit $1,000, and I still have my $3,000 long price target. So for me, I'm just looking to buy more shares. I want to own as many shares of this company as possible because everyone's looking at right now, but what's going to happen in 2022 and 2023 if things stay on track is going to be phenomenal for Tesla stock, and you're going to wish you had bought it in 2020. So that's it for now, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more daily Tesla videos. I post Tesla videos every weekday, Monday through Friday, so be sure to subscribe for more updates. So that's it for now, guys. Until next time, take care.